welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. Today I am here to discuss with you model paper 2 which is released by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, that is KSEEB board 2020-21. Already I have uploaded for you model paper 1 answers, and that video, if you want, you can check that link in the description box which is provided below this video. Quickly we are going to start our model paper 2. Model paper 2, subject mathematics, time 3 hours 15 minutes, maximum marks 80, subject code 81E. And you can see in your front page some general instructions which is given for the students. Okay, you can read those carefully. What is the paper pattern and what are all the chapters deleted and all I have discussed in your model paper 1. Model paper 2, first main choose the correct answers will be there. There are 4 options will be given for you. Choose the right answer. Along with the option, you need to write answers for this first main. In this main, you will be having 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. First question. The pair of lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are intersecting lines. So they have given if these 2 lines which are plotted in a graph, the 2 lines will be intersecting. Intersecting means what is the ratio you remember? Intersecting lines, then the ratio of their coefficients is. Your options are option A, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Option B, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Option C, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Option D, a1 by b2 is equal to b1 by a2. Option A, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If these 2 ratios are not equal, then what the lines will be? The lines will be intersecting. The lines are intersecting. Okay. So, which option is right answer? Option A, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Let me write here. First main, first one. Option A. Like this, you need to answer, children. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Second one, 2x14 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x is. Your options are option A 28, option B 16, option C 7, option D 8. 2x14 are in arithmetic progression. Immediately I remember that if they are in arithmetic progression, their common difference is same. Or if you know arithmetic mean formula, by that also you can find your answer. Arithmetic mean formula, x is equal to a plus b by 2. 2 plus 14 will be 16, 16 by 2 will be 8. Either in that way you can do, or these are in arithmetic progression. a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. Then minus x send this side. X plus x is equal to 14 plus 2. Minus 2 send this side. 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 8. 2 8s are 16. And which option is the right answer? Option D, 8. Second one, option D, 8 is your right answer. Third one, the standard form of quadratic equation is. We all know what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. Which option is correct, children? See there, option A, ax square minus bx. No. Option B. Yes, option B is the right answer. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Option C is the wrong answer. Option D is also a wrong answer. So your answer is option B, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Fourth one, sine 90 degree minus theta. Complementary angle you can remember. Sine 90 degree minus theta will be cos theta. Sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Your options are cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cot theta. Your right answer is option A, cos theta. Fifth one, the value of tan 45 degree is option A root 3, B 0, C 1, D 1 by root 3. Tan 45 value is 1. So which is your right answer? Option C 1. Sixth one, in the given graph, the coordinate of point A is, you can see graph there. Where is that A coordinate? Observe carefully that A coordinate. I can say the coordinate A is 2, 0. On x-axis at 2 point. And on y-axis, it is on a 0 scale. Right? You can say that coordinate is 2, 0. You have that coordinate? Check over there. Option A minus 1, 0. Option B 1, minus 1. Option C 0, 2. Option D 2, 0. Which option is right answer? Option D. Option D A 2, 0. Seventh one, the empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency is option A 2 median is equal to mode plus 3 mean. Option B 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Option C median is equal to mode plus mean. Option D median is equal to mode minus mean. Which option is right answer? Yes, option B 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. See the last question in this mean and the given figure. You can see the figure there. ST parallel to QR. ST parallel to QR. Then PS by SQ is equal to which theorem you can remember? You can remember basic proportionality theorem. A line is parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting on other two sides of a triangle at distinct points divides in equal ratio. Yes, by this statement I can say PS by SQ is equal to which option is right? Let's check over here. Option A PT by TR. Option B PS by TR. Option C PT by SQ. Option D PT by SR. Which option is right answer? Option A. Option A. PT by TR. Okay. With this, we are going to end our first main. Second main, answer the following questions. There are 8 questions will be there. Each carries 1 mark. 8 into 1, 8 marks. Ninth one. In equation x plus y is equal to 7, if x is equal to 3, then find the value of y. X equal to 3 given. So what is y? How can we find this? Substitute this x value there. 3 plus y is equal to 7. Transpose 3 other side. 7 minus 3. Y is equal to 4. What is y value? 4. Let me write all answers shortcuts here. Okay. 10th one. In the given figure, you can see the figure. P is a midpoint of BC. P is midpoint of BC. Write the formula to find the coordinate of P. Most of the people will be confused here. Midpoint, immediately you try to write P of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. But please children, observe here carefully. In the figure, they have given P is midpoint of these two, BC. Write the formula to find the coordinate of P. Midpoint of these two. See here, what coordinates you have? x2, y2, x3, y3. Using these, we need to write the formula, not x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, understand properly? P is point here and it is divided equally. This is a midpoint. This length equal to this length. So this P formula, if you want, you can write it as Px comma y is equal to x2 plus what you have? x3. x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Therefore, Px comma y is equal to x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. 11th problem. Write the measure of angle formed between tangent of a circle. This is the tangent of a circle between tangent to a circle and radius. What is this angle? From the center to the circle to the point of contact of the tangent. What is the angle so formed here? It will be 90 degrees, or you can say right angle. Right angle. 12th one. Write the formula to find the total surface area of a right cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h square units. Area is always square units. No, don't forget to write square units. Total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h square units. 13th one, write the formula to find the volume of a solid sphere. What is volume of a sphere formula? Volume of sphere you can write, or just volume I write here, is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Compulsory, children. You need to write area means square units, volume means cubic units. Next one, 14th one, write the mathematical relation between slant height and radius of a cone. What is the relation you can remember? L square is equal to r square plus h square. What is the relation between L slant height, radius and height of a cone? Is L square is equal to r square plus h square. Next, 15th one. In an arithmetic progression, if an is equal to 3n minus 2, find the second term of the progression. Second term means a2. A2 if you want, in n place substitute 2. 3 into 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Therefore, second term a2 is equal to 4. 16th one. If 15 cot A is equal to 8, then what is tan A? What is the value of tan A? Observe here, 15 is a multiple. Send other side. Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. What is tan A? Tan A is nothing but 1 by cot A. Do the reciprocal of cot A. It will be 15 by 8. That's it. Therefore, the value of tan A is equal to 15 by 8. With this, we end second main. Third main, answer the following questions. You will be having 8 questions. Each carries 2 marks. 8 2s are 16 marks. First problem in this, that is 17th problem. Solve by using elimination method. There are 2 equations. X plus y is equal to 8. 2x minus y is equal to 7. Due to time adjustment, children, I am going to do little shortcuts of some problems. You please try to do neatly in your examination. Okay. These 2 equations solved by elimination method. Already you have plus y minus y. So solve these 2 equations. Directly you can add. Plus y minus y will be cancelled. X plus 2x will be 3x. 8 plus 7 will be 15. And x is equal to 15 by 3. That will be 5. X is equal to 5 and you need to find y value. Substitute this x value in any one of the equation. X plus y is equal to 8. Let me substitute in first equation. 5 plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y is equal to 3. Solve the 2 equations by elimination method in order to get x and y value. X value is 5 and y value is 3. Final answer I am going to display here. Okay. 18th one, find the 10th term of arithmetic progression. Find the 10th term. 10th term means A10. And arithmetic progression given here 2, 7, 12, so on. First, by seeing this, identify A1, A2, A3. A1 is equal to A is equal to 2. Common difference, A2 minus A1. That will be 7 minus 2, D is equal to 5. If we know A and D, we can find any term. They asked us to calculate 10th term. We know the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N place substitute 10. A value is 2. 10 minus 1. D value is 5. 2 plus 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. Therefore, 10th term of a given arithmetic progression is 47. A10 is equal to 47. 19th problem. Find the sum of 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus so on up to 20 terms using the formula. So, sum of these terms, how many terms are there? 20 terms. That means S20 we need to calculate. Write off first A1, A2, A3. First term A1 is equal to A is equal to 2 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 5 minus 2. D is equal to 3. And you need to calculate S20 question mark. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is 20. 20 by 2 into 2a. 2 2s are 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 20 minus 1 into d value is 3. Cancel. 10. 2 2s are 4. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 3s are 57. 57 plus 4, 61. 61 10s are 16. Therefore, yes, 20 is equal to 16 is your answer. 20th question. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 and hence write the nature of its roots. Given equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Compare with the standard form of the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and write a, b, c value. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2. Find the discriminant value, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute b value minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2. Minus 5 into minus 5 will be plus 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 25 minus 24 will be 1. Delta is equal to 1. That means discriminant is greater than 0. 1 means it is greater than 0, right? Therefore, the nature of roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct, you can end this line. 21st problem, solve x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0 by using the quadratic formula. So, this is the equation. First, compare the given equation with standard form of the equation and write a, b, c values. A value is 1, b value is minus 2, c value is 3. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute all the values now. X is equal to minus of minus 2. B value is minus 2, right? Plus or minus root minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3 by 2 into 1. Minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus root of minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 1 will be 12 by 2. X is equal to 2 plus or minus root minus 8 by 2. Immediately I can stop here my problem. Why? This discriminant value is negative. Therefore, roots of this quadratic equation does not exist. Roots does not exist for this equation. So here, why did I stop? inside the root you have a negative value. Therefore, I will end up my problem by saying roots does not exist for this quadratic equation. You have one more OR question. Solve by factorization x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. How to factorize? 1 into 6. 6. Find the factors in such a way if you add or subtract, you are going to get 5. 6. What are all the factors you remember? Immediately you remember 6 and 1. How to get 5? Plus 6 minus 1. But check carefully. Plus into minus. Minus should come now. So these factors I cannot take. Okay. Let's search for another factors. What are the other factors? 3 2s are 6. Plus 3 plus 2. Add these two, you are going to get 5. Therefore, the factors for plus 6 is plus 3 and plus 2. Plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Take out x common, x plus 3. And here in these two, take out 2 common, x plus 3 equal to 0. And in these two, x plus 3 is common, x plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the two roots of the quadratic equation are minus 3 and minus 2. 22nd question. Find the distance between the points A 3, 6 and B 5, 7 using distance formula. You can see two coordinates. Find the distance between these two coordinates. Okay. What is the distance formula you can remember? D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First coordinate, let us mark x1, y1. Second coordinate, x2, y2. Substitute in this distance d you can write, or distance between the two coordinates. You can write AB also. AB is equal to square root of x2 value is 5 minus x1 value is 3 whole square plus y2 value is 7 minus y1 value is 6 whole square is equal to square root of 5 minus 3, 2, 2 whole square plus 7 minus 6, 1 whole square. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1 is equal to root 5. Therefore, AB is equal to root 5. Don't leave only root 5. Right? Distance is equal to root 5 units. Okay, you need to end up your statement with AB is equal to root 5 units. You have one more OR question in this. Find the coordinates of the point P. Find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line joining A 0, 0 and B 5, 10 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, ratio given and you need to find this point coordinate. Let me mark this as x, y and this one as m1 and this one as m2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Which formula you remember? You can remember section formula. That is Px, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. When ratio and coordinates given and they asked to find a point, you need to use section formula. Substitute now. m1 value is 2. 2 into x2 value is 5. 2 into 5 plus m2 value is 3. 3 into x1 0 by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3, comma m1 y2. m1 value is 2. y2 value is 10 plus m2 value is 3. y1 value is 0 by 2 plus 3. This will be 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 into 0, 0 by 2 plus 3, 5. 10 2s are 20. 3 into 0, 0 plus 5. That will be 10 by 5, comma 20 by 5. If you cancel 2, 4. Therefore, px comma y is equal to 2 comma 4. What is this coordinate, children? P 2 comma 4 is the coordinate. 23rd problem. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters at any point P on its circumference. Let me draw a circle. Roughly I am doing here, children. Let us draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. And this is a point P on its circumference. Construct a tangent to a circle. A means single tangent. How do we do tangent here? Look here, first draw the circle, then lift your skyver and put a point here. Semicircle, and again lift the point here. Cut the arc, draw above an arc, and from here, cut the arc. Then from this point, you try to join. This is your tangent. If you want, you can mark AP is a required tangent for the circle of having radius 4 centimeters. Okay, I have done this roughly. You please do with the construction tools. Okay, and your last problem in this main. In the given figure, you can see the figure there. Find the value of sine alpha and cos theta. Okay, I have drawn one more small figure. Right angled triangle, you can see one angle is 90 degree and one angle is theta and another angle is alpha. They asked us to calculate sine alpha plus cos theta. First, find out sine alpha. What is sine alpha ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse. Your alpha is here, angle is here, then this will be opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Sine alpha ratio. Opposite by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Okay, then cos theta, your angle shifted here now. Cos theta, what is cos theta ratio? Adjacent by hypotenuse. For this angle, which is adjacent side, this one is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, both are getting 3 by 5. Now add this one. They asked us to add. So add LCM 5, 3 plus 3. That will be 6 by 5 is your answer. Therefore, your final answer will be sine alpha plus cos theta is equal to 6 by 5. With this, we end this main. Let us start with our fourth main. Answer the following questions. There are 9 questions will be given. Each carries 3 marks, 9 3s are 27 marks. Let's start with the first problem in this main, that is 25th. A train travels 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 10 kilometers per hour more, speed increases. It would have taken 4 hours less time for the same journey. Time decreasing. Understand the problem here carefully. Speed increases, time decreases. Find the speed of the train. So what is the distance given here? 480 kilometers. Let the uniform speed of a train be. Let the speed of train be. Uniform speed. I'm not writing full complete sentences here, shortcuts. Let the speed of train be x. Let the speed be x. And what is your question? Distance is 480 kilometers per hour. And speed increases by 10 kilometers per hour. How to take the ratio? Distance 480 by uniform speed minus 480 by increased speed x plus 10. What is the difference of time? That will be 4 hours less. Frame the equation carefully, children. Understand the problem. Train travels 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. Let the uniform speed be x. If speed has been 10 kilometers more, if speed increases, time decreases. So here only one concept you need to remember. Here speed increasing, time decreasing. When speed increases and time decreases, you need to take in this way ratio. Distance by speed. Okay, minus distance by increased speed along with uniform speed is equal to time. Now do LCM, x into x plus 10. Do the LCM, 480 into x plus 10 minus 480x is equal to 4. Remove from brackets, 480x plus 4800 minus 480x by x into x square plus 10 into x 10x is equal to 4. Minus 480x plus 480x will be cancelled and you are left with 4800 is equal to, cross multiply this one, 4 into x square plus 10x. Now you can cancel this 4 children. If you want, you can cancel 4 ones and 4 1200s. Finally, x square plus 10x. Bring this 1200 this side. Minus 1200. 0 equal to, right? And at a time, you can interchange 0 this side. Now find the factors for minus 1200. What are the factors for minus 1200? 40, 30. 40, 30 is 1200 and you should get here plus 10. Plus 10 how can you get? If you take factors such that plus 40 minus 30 you are going to get plus 10. And multiply and check, you need to get this one, plus into minus, minus 40 into 30, 1200. Factorize x square plus 40x minus 30x minus 1200 equal to 0. Take out x common, x plus 40 minus 30 common, then this minus will become plus and this will be 40. 30, 40 is 1200. Now in these two, x plus 40 is common, take out x plus 40 into x plus 30 equal to 0. X plus 40 equal to 0 or x minus 30 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 40 or x is equal to 30. So here we are talking about speed. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, uniform speed of a train is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. End this problem with that statement. Therefore, the speed of a train is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. You have one more OR question in this 25th. Find two consecutive odd positive integers. What is this? Consecutive odd positive integers. Sum of whose squares is 290. Let us start here. Let the two consecutive positive odd integers are consecutive continuous numbers, right? So when I talk about consecutive, x and the next number will be x plus 1. But don't take in that manner. They have given consecutive odd positive integers. If I take a x and if I take next number immediately, it will be a even number. So I don't want even number. The next number, that means x and x plus 2 are the two consecutive positive odd integers, x and x plus 2. Suppose consecutive positive integers means you can take x plus 1. Even also same manner, x plus 2. Odd also x plus 2. And this number, which one we don't know. When we talk about odd, this number must be odd number. When we talk about even, this number must be even number. And one more line given. What is that line? Sum of whose squares is equal to 290. Whose squares? Sum of these two squares. Sum of, please write the statements. I am not writing the statements. Directly I am solving the problem. Sum of the squares is equal to 290. X square. Which identity you can remember, children? A plus b whole square. Split this one. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 290. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 is equal to 0. Then 2x square plus 4x minus 286 is equal to 0. If you want, you can take out 2 common. That will be 2x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. Now this 2 send other side, 0 by anything will be 0. For this equation, you need to factorize. 1 into minus 143 will be minus 143. Find the factors, children. How can I find? Yes, 11 table I can get this one. 11 ones are 11 threes, so that means 11 13s are 143. Let's check it out. If we do addition or subtraction, we should get this value. Yes, 13 minus 11 will be plus 2. So let me take minus 11 plus 13. X square minus 11x plus 13x minus 143 equal to 0. In these two, take out common x. X minus 11, and in these two, 13 is common. X minus 11 equal to 0. Again, x minus 11 is common. X minus 11 into x plus 13 equal to 0. X minus 11 equal to 0 or x plus 13 equal to 0. That is, x is equal to plus 11 or x is equal to minus 13. But when I talk about odd positive integers, do we get minus 13? No. Odd positive given. So, this negative value I am not going to take. Therefore, x is equal to 11. Therefore, x is equal to 11. Finished? No. We need to find the two consecutive odd positive integers. So, what are the integers here? X and x plus 2. X value 11. X plus 2 means 11 plus 2. That will be 13. Therefore, the two consecutive positive odd integers are 11 and 13. 26th problem. Prove that cosecant 90 minus theta minus sine 90 minus theta into cosecant theta minus sine theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. We need to prove. Observe carefully. You can see flower brackets and round brackets. Let us solve separately. Consider LHS. Cosecant 90 degree minus theta minus sine 90 degree minus theta into cosecant theta minus sine theta into tan theta plus cot theta. We need to prove this equal to 1. So, I won't take RHS part. Complementary angles. You can remember by complementary angles. What is cosecant 90 degree minus theta? Yes, it is secant theta minus sine 90 degree minus theta, cos theta. Next one, bracket cosecant theta minus sine theta. As it is, next step we are going to change. And this one also, tan theta plus cot theta. Now, secant theta. Secant theta, how can you write this one? Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta into cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, tan theta. Cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Okay. Now do LCM. 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. If you do LCM. Yes or no? 1 and cos theta LCM is cos theta. 1 minus, multiply this cos theta here, cos square theta. Same manner, you do LCM for this. 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta into, do LCM, tan square theta plus 1 by tan theta. Okay. Now, 1 minus cos square theta. Again, I remember something. What is that? Sin square theta. Write down sin square theta by cos theta. Okay. Now, 1 minus cos sin square theta is, what is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta by sin theta into tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta by tan theta. Okay. Now, all these are all multiples, children. Okay. If you want, you can remove all the brackets and start cancelling. That will be, if you want, you can remove all these brackets. Sin square theta by cos theta into cos square theta by sin theta into secant square theta. Secant square theta, can I write it as 1 by cos square theta by sin theta by cos theta. Secant square theta, again I have written as 1 by cos square theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Now, cos theta and 1 cos theta is cancelled. That means square is cancelled. Sin theta cancelled. You are left with sin theta into cos theta into sin theta into cos theta into 1 by cos square theta. Bring this denominator to the numerator. Do the reciprocal and multiply. Cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta, 1 cos theta cancel. Now finally, look here carefully. Sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. If all are cancelled, what you are left? 1. Therefore, this equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. I just rewrite here when you are writing in exam. Please write whatever you are applying. That means what is cosecant 90 minus theta? Secant theta. And what is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. And what all you have applied? 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. And 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. See here, these are all formulas. Without knowing this, you cannot touch this problem. Okay, please be perfect before doing this problem. Like this, slowly we need to prove the problem. There is one more OR question in this problem. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. Here also same manner. Consider LHS. Left hand side equation, that is sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Now do LCM. Sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Denominator sin theta plus cos theta into, when we do LCM, we are going to multiply these two denominators. Okay. Whole divided by, you need to write this. Here you have sin theta plus cos theta. So you need to multiply sin theta minus cos theta for the numerator when we do LCM. Already you have one set. When you multiply one more, what does it become? sin theta minus cos theta whole square plus, here in the denominator you have sin theta minus cos theta. So for numerator you multiply this one. That is sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. You can rewrite it as sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Now I remember two formulas, a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square formula. Split that one using formula sin square theta minus 2ab, right? 2 sin theta cos theta plus b square cos square theta plus a plus b whole square formula. Sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta whole divided by a plus b into a minus b. Immediately I remember another identity, a square minus b square. Write that one. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, if you multiply these two, you are going to get sin square theta minus cos square theta. Minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It will be 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, one pair it is 1. And another pair if you add, you are going to get one more 1. 1 plus 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. If you want side brackets, you can write, we know sin square theta plus we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now 1 plus 1 add, it will be 2 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Check your answer. Is it correct? No, still something I need to change. What are you going to change? See, only sin square theta should be there in the denominator. That means 2 sin square theta minus 1. I don't want cos square theta. Cos square theta, can you write in any way? Yes, I can write it as 2 by sin square theta minus, instead of cos square theta, I will write it as 1 minus sin square theta. You have a minus, so please use bracket. Otherwise, your problem goes wrong. Now, remove from bracket 2 by sin square theta minus 1, minus into minus, plus sin square theta. That will be 2 by sin square theta plus sin square theta will be 2 sin square theta minus 1. This is nothing but the RHS. What is RHS? 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS and you can end your problem with this equal to this. Okay. Hence, it is proved. 27th problem. From the top of a building, 50 root 3 meters high. What is the height of this building? This is a building. PQ. Let PQ be the building. And top of the building, the angle of depression of a car. Depression means the angle towards the ground. That is depression. The angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 60 degree. See, from here to depression angle is 60 degree. There is a car at a point R. Find the distance of the car from the foot of the building. This is foot of the building, right? What is this distance is your question. It is very simple. You can see right angle triangle here. You please write the sentences carefully. Let PQ be the building of height 50 root 3 meters. Top of the building, the angle of depression towards a car on the ground, that is at R. At R, depression angle is 60 degree. Find the distance between the foot of the building to the car. So, you can see they have given this arrow mark. What does it indicate? It indicates these two are parallel. If they are parallel, I can write the alternate angles equal. Theta equal to 60 degrees, right? Angle MPR is equal to angle PRQ. angle MPR is equal to angle PRQ, that is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now you can see a right triangle, one angle is given, you can apply trigonometric ratios. You know opposite. If the angle is here, this is opposite side and this is adjacent. Which ratio we are going to talk? Tan, right? Tan theta ratio, that is theta value is 60. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite PQ by adjacent QR. Tan 60 value is root 3. PQ 50 root 3 meters. QR we don't know. Cross multiply. QR is equal to 50 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. Therefore, QR is equal to 50 meters. You end your statement here. Therefore, the distance from the car to the foot of the building is 50 meters. 28th problem. Find the area of triangle ABC. You can see a triangle ABC whose coordinates are A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2. Then find the length of the median AD. Therefore, we need to find area of the triangle, ABC and also length of the median. You can see some symbols here. What is this? That means these two lengths equal. BD equal to DC. That means D is a midpoint of BC. Find D coordinate. Then find the distance between A and D. That is only the length of the altitude. There are two sub-questions asked in this. One is area of a triangle and another is length of the altitude. Let's start with area of triangle ABC and mark A coordinate as x1, y1, B coordinate x2, y2, C coordinate x3, y3. And easy to remember the formula, area of a triangle ABC. Half of, you just go on writing x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Just easy to remember, children, here. Now, let me put here 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. And now again 3, 1, 2. That's it. So, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Half of. Substitute the values. x1 value is 4 into y2 value is minus 2 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 3 into y3 value is 2 minus y1 is minus of minus 6. Okay. Plus x3 value is 5. Y1 value is minus 6 minus y2 value is minus 2. Minus of minus 2. Half of 4 into minus 2 will be minus 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 6. It will be minus into minus plus, no? 2 plus 6, 8 plus 5 into minus into minus plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. Half of 4 4s are 16 plus into minus minus 16 plus 8 3s are 24 plus into minus minus 5 4s are 20. And this will be half of minus 16 minus 20 will be minus 36 plus 24. Half of minus 36 plus 24 will be minus 12. Minus 12 by 2. Minus 12 by 2 will be minus 6. You can leave negative sign and say 6 square units. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 6 square units. In this area, if you get a negative, area cannot be negative. Therefore, you can write it as 6 square units is the area of this triangle. Is our problem completed? No. There is one more sub question. What is that? Find the length of the altitude. Let us first calculate the value of D. D is nothing but the midpoint of those two coordinates. 3 plus 5 by 2, comma, minus 2 plus 2 by 2. That will be 8 by 2, comma, 0 by 2. 2 fours, D coordinate is equal to 4, comma, 0. D coordinate is 4, comma, 0. As they have given these two length is equal. Then now, what is the length of AD? AD length is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Observe here, when you are finding this length, you just remove this one and write this x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute the values. Square root of x2 value is 4 minus x1 value is 4 whole square plus y2 value is 0 minus y1 value is minus of minus 6 whole square. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 0 square is 0. Minus into minus plus 6. 6 6 are 36. 0 plus 36 will be root 36. Root 36 value is 6. Therefore, the length of altitude AD is equal to 6 units. Therefore, the length of the altitude AD is equal to 6 units. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to 6 square units and length of AD is equal to 6 units. 29th one, find the mean of the following data by direct method. Class interval frequency given for you. That is 1 to 5, 4, 5 to 9, 3, 9 to 13, 5, 13 to 17, 7, 17 to 21, 1. And some of these frequencies, either you may say n or sigma f is equal to 20. We need to calculate mean. Mean means formula. Mean is represented by x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, or you can write it as n children, no problem. This is fi and you need to calculate score. Score is xi. Class interval given. How do you calculate score? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 by 2 will be 3. Similarly, you add and divide by 2. You are going to get 7, 11, 15, 19. Fi xi. In order to calculate mean, sigma fi xi needed for you. So multiply fi xi. 4 3s are 12. 3 7s are 21. 5 11s are 55. 15 7s are 105. 19 1s are 19. Add all these and say sigma fi xi is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 9 22. 3, 5, 10, 11, 212. Summation, sum of this fi xi you can call, or sigma fi xi also you can say. That is how much you got? 212. Write mean formula. Mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. That is 212 by summation fi value is 20. Cancel this. 21s are 20. 1 left, 2, and I cannot write, so put 0.120. That will be 6. 26 are 120. Therefore, final answer is 10.6. Mean x bar is equal to 10.6 by direct method. In 29th, we have one more OR question. Find the mode of the following data. They have given class interval and frequency. 0 to 10, 6, 10 to 29, 20 to 30, 15, 30 to 49, 40 to 51. Total n is equal to 40. In order to start finding mode, we need to identify model class. See the highest frequency in this column? Yes, 15. So take a pencil and round it up. This is your model class and mark with this is F0, F1, F2. Lower limit is L. H, class size. How do you get class size? Upper limit minus lower limit, that is 30 minus 20 will be 10. So write all the values you know. L is equal to 20, H is equal to 10, F0 is equal to 9, F1 is equal to 15, F2 is equal to 9. And you can write model class is 20 to 30. Now what is mode formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the values. L 20 plus F1 15, F0 9, 2 into 15 minus 9 into 10. Okay. 20 plus 15 minus 9 will be 6. 15 2s are 30. 9 minus 9 will be minus 18 into 10. 20 plus 6 by 12. 30 minus 18 will be 12. And you can cancel this. 6 ones are 6 twos are. 2 ones, 2 fives. That is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Therefore, mode is equal to 25. Mode of the given data is how much? 25. 30th question. Prove that length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is a theorem which is there in circles chapter, which is there in your textbook. If you need my explanation of this theorem, you can go to the description box and open circles link. In that you can see this theorem. Okay, let me move to the next problem. 31. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeters. I am talking here about frustum of a cone. Slant height L is equal to how much? 4 centimeters. And perimeters of its circular bases are 18 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Okay, I have taken a frustum of a cone like this. And slant height is given 4 centimeters. The perimeter, what do you mean by perimeter? The outer ring of a circle. Perimeter of top and bottom bases of a frustum of a cone is 18 centimeters and 6 centimeters. That means, suppose if I consider this is R1 and if I consider this is R2. Let me consider this as R1 and this as R2. What do you need to calculate here? Find the curved surface area of the frustum of a cone. Given, write the given data first. Slant height L is equal to 4 centimeters. And perimeter of the bases, top and bottom, 2 pi R1. Perimeter of a circle is 2 pi R, right? 2 pi R1 is equal to 18 centimeters. And one more, 2 pi R2 is equal to 6 centimeters. They asked us to calculate CSA of a frustum of a cone. Okay, by using this perimeter, we are going to calculate R1 and here R2. Then substitute in formula CSA of a frustum of a cone. 2 into 22 by 7 into R1 is equal to 18. R1 is equal to 18 into 7 by 22 2s are 44. Directly if you want, you can take 2 9s are 18, 2 22s are, that will be 7 9s are 63 by 22. What is R1 value? 63 by 22 centimeters. R1 is equal to 63 by 22 centimeters. Then coming to this R2 radius, find out this radius. 2 pi R2 is equal to 6 centimeters. 2 into 22 by 7 into R2 equal to 6. R2 is equal to 6 into 7 by 2 into 22, or you can write it off 44. That will be 2 threes, 2 22s are. 7 threes are 21 by 22 centimeters. What is R2? R2 is 21 by 22 centimeters. We got R1 and R2. Then what is the formula for CSU of frustum of a cone? Pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Substitute. Pi value is 22 by 7 into R1. R1 value is 63 by 22 plus R2 value is 21 by 22 into L. Slant height is 4. Do LCM here. 22 by 7 into 63 plus 21 by 22 into 4. 22 by 7 into, if you want you can cancel this, 2 2s are 2 11s are, and this one add 84 by 11 into 2. Now this one 22 2s are 44 into 84 by 7 into 11. Cancel. 11 4s are 44. 4 into 84. 4 4s are 16. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1 33. 336 by 7. You can cancel this. Yes. 7 4s are 28. And you are left with 5 56. 7 8s are 56. That will be, therefore, CSU of frustum of a cone is equal to 48 square centimeters. 31st, one more or question you have here. The circumference of the base of a cylinder is 132 centimeters. You can see the cylinder. Circumference of the base of the cylinder. Which shape will be the base of a cylinder? Circular shape. Circumference of the base of a cylinder means this circle circumference is 132 centimeter. Circumference of a circle 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeters. Given 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeters. And what more given? Height. Height of the cylinder h is equal to 25 centimeters. They asked us to calculate volume of the cylinder. Given circumference of base of a cylinder is 132 centimeters, that is 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter, and height of a cylinder is equal to 25 centimeter. They asked us to calculate volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder formula is how much? Volume of a cylinder formula is equal to pi r square h. You know pi 22 by 7 and h 25. What about r? We don't know r, right? First calculate r using the circumference. 2 pi r is equal to 132. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. R is equal to 132 into 7 by 2 into 22. Okay, and this will be 11 2s are 11 12s are 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and this will be 7 3s are 21 centimeters is the radius of a cylinder. What is radius of a cylinder? 21 centimeters. Volume of a cylinder they asked to calculate. Volume of a cylinder formula is pi r square h. In r place substitute 21. R square, so I will write 2 times. 7 3s are 21. Multiply this one. 3 into 22 will be 66. Into 21 into 25 you can multiply. That will be 66 into 21. Let me do. With 1 you multiply 66, and with the 2 you multiply 2 6 are 12, 12, 13, 6, 8, 3, 1, and again for this you multiply 25. 5 6 are 30, 5 8 are 40, 40 plus 3, 43, 5 3 are 15 plus 4, 19, 5 1s are 5, 6. and with 2 you multiply. 6 2s are 12, 16, 17, 7, 2. Yeah, final answer will be 34650. That is 34,650 cubic or a centimeter cube you can write. Therefore, volume of a cylinder is equal to 34,650 cubic centimeter. And we are going to have next problem. Draw less than type ogive for the data given in the following table. You can see the data, class interval and frequency given for us. This is another problem. Class interval and frequency given. Less than type ogive. Less than type ogive means, see the class interval 0 to 10. More than 0, less than 10. In the word itself, which column you need to choose, you can get it. And which limit is this? 10. Upper limit. Right? Less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. And write the frequency. 2, 12, 2, 4, 3. Cumulative frequency. Go on adding. 2, 2 plus 12 will be 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. And draw neatly this table. Then in graph sheet, I am not doing graph here. Just I give a rough idea. You will be having a graph sheet. And yeah, less than ogive. This x-axis, you are going to write upper limit. And on y-axis, cumulative frequency. And yeah, ogive will be in this form. This is yeah, less than type ogive. Last problem in this main, 33rd problem. Construct tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters such that the angle between the tangents is 60 degree. As I am not doing the construction with construction tools, but I am going to show you rough figure. Understand the problem here. Draw a circle. First draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Understand the problem carefully. Construct tangents. Tangents means 2 tangents you need to draw. And the angle between those tangents is 60 degree. How can I draw directly 60 from the tangents? So for that purpose, imagine a rough figure. Suppose tangents, this angle is 60 degree. Okay. Then what would be the central angle? This looks like a quadrilateral. We know that tangents are always perpendicular to the radius of a circle through point of contact. 90 plus 90 is 180. We know in a quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is 180. If they ask you, this angle must be 60. That means in 180 degree, subtract 60. 180 minus 60 will be 120 degree. Yes or no? Now, first draw a circle with 5 centimeters. Draw a circle. And from this center, measure 120 degree angle and join. Now this angle is 120 degree. Okay. So 120 degree we got at the center. Now we need to draw the tangents. How to do tangents here? 5 centimeters you have taken radius, right? Again lift your skiver. Do semicircle. And from this point more than half and cut this arc like this, a tangent. And again from this radius you do one more semicircle where it touches here and here. Then from here cut the arc and then you are going to get a tangent like this. See here, the 2 tangents will be intersecting at some point. The 2 tangents will be intersecting. So this angle will be 60 degree. The 2 tangents will intersect at some point, then that angle will be 60 degree. And mark any letter here. 0, A might be there, B, C. There you can mark the point A. Okay, you cannot see there. AB and AC are the required tangents. AB and AC are the 2 tangents and angle between these 2 tangents is equal to 60 degree. Okay, with this we are going to end our main children. 5th main, answer the following. In this main we have 4 problems and each carries 4 marks. 4 fours are 16 marks. 34th question. find the solution to the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. There are two pair of linear equations given. So I'm not showing this problem in graph, but just roughly I can guess the answer here. See the two equations. Okay, you have plus y minus y. I just go with the elimination method roughly in a rough part and find what are the solutions. If you do in graphical method, you get the same answer. Okay, let me see. Cancel. This is rough work, children. In graph, don't do this one. 3x is equal to 9. X is equal to 3. This x value substitute in any other. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, when you do this graphically, then add to 3 and add to 2. So look here, observe. A pair of linear equations. That means two lines will intersect at somewhere here. That will be, so observe here carefully. The two lines are going to intersect at a point, and that point is 3, 2, where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So these two equations we need to solve graphically. Without doing graphically, just we have guessed the answer. What would be the answer? I think the two lines or the two pair of linear equations are going to intersect at a point. That coordinate is 3, 2, where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. How you are going to do the calculation part in graph, children? Let me take first equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Rewrite this, y is equal to 5 minus x. And take a table like this, x, comma, y. Make sure that middle line, let's guess the answer. What would be the answer? 3 and 2. Okay, or just you take only x value enough. You come to know answer by any method, guess the answer in rough column, and x value, what is x value? 3, right? In middle 3, take one number before number, after number, any other. Yeah, Vish. So now, if x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, y what happens? 5 minus 0 will be 5. 0, 5 coordinate. And if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5 minus 3, that will be 2. 3, 2. And if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 5, that will be 0. 5, 0. Using these three coordinates, you are going to get a line. Okay. And similarly, one more equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 4. I just send this y this side and number this side. Y is equal to 2x minus 4. Again, same manner, take a table like this. Okay. X value, what we got? X value is 3. We just guess the value x value. X, y, x, y. You can take any number. Let me take 0, 3, and here I'll take 5. Any numbers, one before number, one after number you take. You know that your answer is here. Okay. If x is equal to 0, substitute in that equation. 2 into 0 minus 4, it will be minus 4. 0, minus 4. And another, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 into 3 minus 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. 3, 2. And another coordinate, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 into 5 minus 4. That is 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 will be 6. 5, 6. You are going to get one more line. And these two lines are going to intersect at point. You make sure that you need to write all the coordinates and with arrow mark, lines and equations also you need to write. 2x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 5. X-axis, x dash, y dash, and scale. This is all compulsory to score full marks in graph. Therefore, you end this problem with a statement. The solutions for this pair of linear equations are intersecting, and these two lines are intersecting at a coordinate 3, 2, where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. 35th problem. The third term of an arithmetic progression is 8. The third term of an arithmetic progression is 8. A3 is equal to 8. And its ninth term. What is ninth term? A9. Ninth term exceeds more. Exceeds 3 times third term by 2. Understand the problem carefully, children. Given third term is 8, A3 is equal to 8. And ninth term exceeds 3 times third term by 2. 3 into A3 plus 2. And what did they ask? Find the sum of first 19 terms. S19 is equal to question mark. So let us rewrite this one. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 8. Mark it first equation. And then this one write general form. A9 can be written as A plus 8D. And 3 into A3 can be written as A plus 2D plus 2. A plus 8D is equal to 3A plus 6D plus 2. Okay. Now bring this side. A minus 3A plus 8D minus 6D is equal to 2. Minus 2A plus 2D is equal to 2. So here you can take out 2 common. If you take out 2 common, minus A plus D is equal to 2. 2 to cancel 1 and you can write it as minus A plus D is equal to 1. Mark it second equation. Now solve first and second equation. What do you have? A plus 2D is equal to 8 and minus A plus D is equal to 1. Solving 1 and 2. You have one positive sign and negative sign. A minus A will be cancelled. I am going to add these two equations. 2D plus D will be 3D. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 3D equal to 9. D is equal to 9 by 3. That will be 3. Common difference, how much we got? D is equal to 3. This D value substitute in any one of the equation. Let me substitute this D is equal to 3 in equation 1. A plus 2 into 3 is equal to 8. 2 3s are 6 is equal to 8. Send the 6 other side. 8 minus 6, A is equal to 2. A is 2 and D is 3. What we need to calculate here? Find sum of 19 terms. Sn formula. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. S19. N value is 19. S19 is equal to 19 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 2 plus 19 minus 1 into D value is 3. That will be 19 by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 18 into 3. 19 by 2 into 4 plus 18 3s are 54. And this will be 19 by 2 into 58. Cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now multiply this. 29 into 19. 9 9s are 81, 9 2s 18, 26. And here again 29, 1, 15, 5. 551 is your answer. 19 into 21 is equal to 551. Therefore, sum of 19 terms is equal to 551. In this, we have one more OR question. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of the 3 terms is 24 and their product is 480. So, observe here 3 terms. What are the 3 terms? We don't know the 3 terms. So, let us assume the 3 terms in such a way. We take it as A minus D, A and A plus D. Okay. Observe here, if any question has 3 terms, 5 terms, 4 terms, you need to think a little. If we add these 3, D will be cancelled. In that way, we need to take when your question is sum and product. Okay, let the 3 terms be A minus D, A plus D. Sum of 3 terms is 24. Add all this, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. Now, if we add minus D plus D will be cancelled. 3a is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 by 3. 8s are 24. A is equal to 8. Only using first statement, I got a value. Next statement, and their product is 480. Which product? 3 terms product. A minus D into A plus D is equal to 480. Okay. So, find the 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. You need to find these 3 terms. Sum of the 3 numbers is 24. Product of the 3 numbers is 480. What are these 3 numbers? We need to calculate. When you see product, I can remember an identity. Look here, a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square I can write, but instead of b, you have here d. So, a minus d into a plus d, I will write it as a square minus d square is equal to 480. And instead of a, we will substitute 8. 8 into 8 8s are 64 minus d square is equal to 480. Now send this 8 this side, or you can cancel directly. 8 1s are 8, 8 60s are 480. Okay. Now this one 64 minus d square is equal to 60 minus d square, send other side. 64, 60, bring this side. 64 minus 60 will be 4. 4 is equal to d square. Then remove square, apply square root. D is equal to square root of 4. D is equal to plus or minus 2. What is D value? We got D, 2 answers, plus or minus 2. So let us write here, if D is equal to plus 2. And one more set, if D is equal to minus 2. What are the 3 numbers? We know A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. 2 answers we need to write, children. Don't forget to write. We need to take 2 values of D and write the answers. If D equal to 2 and A equal to 8, what are the 3 numbers? A minus D. That will be 8 minus 2. 6. A. 8. A plus D. 8 plus 2 will be 10. Therefore, the 3 numbers are 6, 8 and 10. Okay, you need to end up with all the statements, write neatly with the statements. And if D is equal to minus 2 and A is equal to 8, again write the 3 terms. A minus D, 8 minus of minus 2. 8 plus 2 will be 10. A, 8 and A plus D is equal to 8 plus of minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, the 3 numbers are 10, 8 and 6. Either if you take D plus 2 or minus 2, you get same numbers 6, 8, 10 or 10, 8, 6. 36th problem, a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere with the sum radius as shown in the figure. If the diameter of the conical portion is 6 centimeters and its height is 4 centimeters, then find the surface area of the toy. So you can observe the figure. Observe the figure carefully. A cone and a hemisphere, you can see this is a toy. A cone is surmounted on a hemisphere. Having radius, both radius are equal. Radius 3 centimeters. Given diameter 6 centimeter, radius will be 3 centimeters. And height of the conical part is 4 centimeters. Find the surface area of the toy is your problem. Let's start with the given data. Given diameter D is equal to 6 centimeters. Radius is equal to 6 by 2, that will be 3 centimeters. You can write hemisphere radius or cone radius, both are same. And now coming to height. Height of the cone H is equal to 4 centimeters. Surface area of toy. What is surface area of the toy? Formula. Surface area of the toy means you can see 2 solids, CSA of a cone plus CSA of a hemisphere. So frame the formula. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone. What is the formula? Hemisphere 2 pi r square plus CSA of a cone is pi r l. CSA of a cone is pi r l. But we don't know L. First we need to calculate L. So you can see a right triangle. L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. Radius 3 3s are 9. Height 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9 will be 25. Square root of 25 will be 5 centimeters is the slant height. Okay, after finding slant height, we can continue this. Is there anything common? Yes. Pi r is common, where radius is same for two solids. 2r plus L. Now substitute the values. Pi value is 22 by 7 and radius is 3 into 2 into 3 plus slant height is 5. 22 3s are 66 by 7 into 3 2s are 6 plus 5. 66 into 6 plus 5 will be 11 by 7. You cannot cancel this, right? Multiply this 66 into 11, 726 by 7. Let's try to cancel 7 ones are 7 ones are 7, 0, 7 3s are 21, 5 left, point, 50, 7 7s are 49 and again 1 left, 10, 7 1s are 7, again 3 left. So it is continuing, right? You can stop there or just I say here 103.7 centimeter square. Area we are talking. Therefore, area of this toy is equal to 103.7 centimeter square. Understand the problem carefully. When we talk about surface areas and volumes, observe the figure first and frame the formula. Surface area of a toy means CSA of a cone plus CSA of a hemisphere. We know height and radius, we don't know slant height, but we remember a formula. L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. We are going to find L value, then substitute in this formula. Therefore, the surface area of this toy is equal to 103.7 centimeter square. And last but one problem, 37th problem. Construct a triangle ABC of its sides. And here there is a construction. I just give you a rough figure and you do with the construction materials. Let me do here. 37th. Construct a triangle ABC of its sides BC 4 and AB 6 cm, AC 4.5 centimeters. Okay, let me take a base. AB 6 centimeters. Okay, and from A point 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc, and from B 4 centimeters, cut the arc, join ABC. AC is equal to 4.5 centimeters and BC is equal to 4 centimeters. AC is equal to 4.5 centimeters and BC is equal to 4 centimeters. And now construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are in the ratio 2:3. Observe this ratio carefully, children. You are going to construct similar triangle for this. How can I construct? First, draw a ray which is acute from any point. Draw a ray which is acute. And observe the ratio. Numerator and denominator greater. Which one is greater? 3 is greater. So, take a skiver and mark 3 arcs. Mark this as A1, A2, A3. Okay. And denominator, what you have? 3. So, from 3, join B. Now, draw the arc. And numerator, what is the point? 2. Numerator, what you have? 2. That means at A2, you need to draw one free arc. Okay. Now, go back. Measure, cut, join. And again, from here, same manner. arc, again from this point, arc, measure, cut, join. Okay, this is B dash and this will be C dash. Therefore, A, B dash, C dash is a required similar triangle for the given triangle. Observe the ratio, children, 2:3. If you have numerator is smaller than the denominator, then your new triangle will be interior. Suppose your denominator is smaller than the numerator, then your new triangle will be exterior. Okay, with this we end this main and we have one more main. Last main, sixth main, answer the following question. Question means only one problem. It carries 5 marks. 5 into 1, 5 marks. And it is very easy problem. 38th one. State and prove basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem is also known as Thales theorem. Direct theorem from your second chapter, triangles. If you want my explanation, you can go to the description box and check triangles link. In that you can see this theorem explanation. With this, there is an end of model paper 2 and I am going to provide you this model paper link also in the description box. If you want, you can download it. Thank you all. We are going to meet in our next session with another new model paper. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.